So for me, the interesting part is to challenge myself and do things I haven't done before. And Daksha is one such character. And I've always said I love doing fight sequences, and I think this movie has given me that kind of satisfaction that I've always wanted to beat up a few people. So
Okay, okay, who are they then?
I can't tell, yeah, but I did think of all of them when I was doing the fight sequences.
So all the energy was there, like there was a lot of rehearsals while doing it, or it came with just some
No,
of your,
it's complete choreography. I mean, you have to do if I move one thing, either they will get hurt or I will get hurt. So that's why it's a choreography. Even the fight sequences are a choreography. Like when do you bend, when you kick, when do you lift up. So, and everything has to look like you just thought of it.
Okay.
Not like a choreography, but you know, these punches are coming out of nowhere. But that's the beauty of it, to be able to punch a person and not touch them, you know, but give that impact and give that emotion and make you believe what we did.
Can I come to know when you punched in your first time?
In life itself? Oh God.
You punched it very badly. He must be hearing that interview.
It was he went and complained something to my dad, which I didn't know about, and I found out later. And I happened to see him at an event or something. I just ran up to him, and I was like, I don't know, 16 or 17.
Oh, so sweet.
And that man was a tall man. I jumped up to hit him, and people pulled me back. I'm like, you have a problem with me, you talk to me, not to my dad. Because, you know, I hate those people who won't have the courage. If they have an opinion about you to talk to you, they'll go and complain to the dad. Why? You're trying to put me down in front of my own dad. Like, there are these horrible people, they are still there around here. But now they know to pick up the call on me and not on anybody else.
I love this. I really love this. They need a punch. You did the right thing.
Yesterday also I punched somebody without my hands, but just with my speech.
That I loved you for, because you know, now you're a mother. I'm a mother, but when it comes to teaching our daughters, because they will see us as a role model.
Yes.
So I love this, because I want that more daughters should learn these tricks. Because
thank you.
Love doing punching. You believe in that?
No, I believe in love bombing otherwise than punching people. That will not really serve you, going around and punching
sometimes
people.
We have to use our actions to save ourselves, right?
Hello, holding your boundaries. You know, I use my voice as my kavacham, as I say all the time, because God has given me a deep, strong voice. Although no matter how I feel inside, and I might feel very weak and afraid and insecure, but when it comes to standing up for myself, I know I can use my voice, and I'm not afraid to use it.